Hello guys, welcome to Li-Fi Education. In this video, we will cover best 75 questions of first week of July month. So let's start this video. Who has been honored with the BET 2020 Humanitarian Award for her long-standing philanthropic work? Here the answer is option A, Beyonce. Mario Gomez, who has announced his retirement, is associated with which sports? He is from Germany and he is associated with football. So option C is the right answer. Capital of Germany is Berlin. Which state has developed India's first lichen park in Munsiari? So the answer is B. Uttarakhand. India has signed an agreement with which country for the construction of the 600 megawatt Kholongchu joint venture hydroelectric project? Here the answer is option D. Bhutan. Geeta Nagabhushan, who passed away recently, was a renowned for. She is an author. The government of India has banned how many Chinese mobile apps? The answer is option A, 59. These apps were banned under Section 69A of the Information and Technology Act. International Day of Parliamentarism is observed every year on which date? And it is celebrated on 30th of June. So option B is the right answer. Nitin Gadkari has announced for the development of 280 km long Chambal Expressway between Rajasthan and which state? Chambal River is situated in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. So this expressway connects Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The World Bank has approved a 500 million US dollar loan to improve the quality and governance of the school education in how many Indian states? The name of this scheme is STARS, and the answer is 6 states. The states are Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. The union government has increased the budget of which state or union territory by 4 times? So this is the union territory. So option A is the right answer, Ladakh. Which state has launched the Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalaya campaign? So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Swiggy, in partnership with which bank, has launched its own digital wallet, Swiggy Money? So the name of this bank is ICICI Bank. So option C is the right answer. Which state has launched a Skill Connect forum, a portal that connects job seeker with the employer on a common platform? It's like a Naukri.com. So the answer is D. Karnataka. India's first plasma bank for treating COVID-19 patients will be launched in which city? New Delhi. So the answer A is the right answer. Gudni Johnson has been re-elected as the president of which country? The answer is Iceland. The capital of Iceland is Reykjavik. And the capital of Greece is Athens, Spain, Madrid, Mexico, Mexico City. Who has been confirmed with the first Professor P.C. Mahalanobis Award? Answer is C. Chakravarti Rangarajan. Which bank has approved a $750 million emergency response fund for India's MSME sector? The name of this bank is World Bank. The president of World Bank is David Malpass. The managing director is Anshula Khan. Indian Oil Corp has agreed to form an equal joint venture with Baximo LPG to set up a terminal to import LPG in which country? So the name of this country is A. Bangladesh. According to the official data, the output of 8 core infrastructure industries shrank by what percent in May due to lockdown? So the answer is C. 23.4%. Which IIT has launched the world's first ever online degree BSc and diploma courses in programming and data science? It is launched by IIT Madras. So answer is option D. Which state has launched the online cash aid initiative at one click for MSMEs and textile industries? It is launched by Gujarat. Atmanirbhar Gujarat Sahay Yojana is also launched by Gujarat government. Under Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Enterprises Scheme, micro enterprises will get how many percent subsidy on project cost with a ceiling of rupees 10 lakh? The answer is 35%. So option D is the right answer. Which IIT has developed an artificial intelligence based deep learning tool for detection of COVID-19 from chest X-ray images? The answer is option B, IIT Gandhinagar. Which bank has launched the e-Kisan Dhan app for farmers all over India? The name of this bank is HDFC Bank. Who has become the first female Lieutenant General of Pakistan Army? The name of this Lieutenant General is Nigal Johar. Shashank Manohar has stepped down as International Cricket Council ICC chairman, who has been appointed as the interim chairman. So Imran Khwaja is appointed as the interim chairman. He is from Singapore. The Kerala government has decided to roll out which project to help expats who lost jobs due to coronavirus? The name of this project is Dream Kerala. So option A is the right answer. Who has been appointed as India's next permanent representative to the United Nations and other international organizations in Geneva? The answer is Indramani Pandey. And the representative to the United Nations in America is T.S. Tirumurthy, who was named as India's most valuable player of the 21st century by Wisden. So the name of this player is Ravindra Jadeja. Who has taken charge as the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation? So Srikant Madhav Vaid is the new chairman of IOC. Fitch Ratings has cut India's growth forecast for 2021 to 2022 fiscal to how many percent from 9.5%? So the answer is 8%. Legendary comedian Carl Reiner, who passed away recently, hailed from which country? He is from America. So the answer is D, United States. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer of Central Board of Film Certification? So the CEO of Censor Board is Ravind Bhakar. Edward Philip has given his resignation from the post of the Prime Minister of which country? The president of this country is Emmanuel Macron. So the country is France. Which IIT institution has developed a classroom to home teaching setup, Mobile Master G? So the answer is IIT Kanpur. Option D is the right answer. Name the Indian American person who have been honored with the 2020 Great Immigrants by the Carnegie Corporation. Siddharth Mukherjee and Raj Chetty, both are the right answer. So option D is the right answer. Upar Rokamalova, who passed away recently, was the former Assembly Speaker of which state? So the answer is option A, Mizoram. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Saroj Khan, who passed away recently, was renowned for? She was a choreographer. So option B is the right answer. World Sports Journalist Day is observed globally on which date? So the answer is option C, 2nd of July. Union Ministry of Home Affairs has extended the Armed Force Special Power Act AFSPA 1958 in which state for another 6 months? So this state is Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Who is the author of the book Future of the Higher Education, 9 Mega Trends? So the author of this book is V. Pattabhi Ram. Option B is the right answer. According to the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute (CMFRI), which state has occupied the top spot in annual fish production in 2019? Gujarat is in second position, and the state which is topped in this year is Tamil Nadu. So option C is the right answer. Which among the following has launched a new scheme called Accelerate Vigyan? The answer is option B, SERB. Full form of SERB is Science and Engineering Research Board. Which bank has launched the Insta Loans Against Mutual Funds facility? The name of this bank is ICICI Bank, and the MD of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. Which color dustbin has been introduced by Indore Municipal Corporation for corona-infected material? The answer is C, yellow. Which state government has announced a monthly stipend of 3,000 rupee to junior lawyers for 2 years to overcome financial difficulties? The answer is Tamil Nadu. So option D is the right answer. Which state government has decided to postpone the world-famous Shravani Mela held in Deoghar this year due to coronavirus? Deoghar is situated in Jharkhand. So the answer is Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Everton Weekes, who passed away recently, was associated with which sports? The answer is cricket. So option A is the right answer. He was a player of West Indies team. A very rare red coral kukri snake was spotted recently in which national park of Uttar Pradesh? The name of this national park is Dudhwa National Park. Union HRD Ministry along with AICTE and CSIR has launched which hackathon to support drug discovery process? The name of this hackathon is Drug Discovery. So option C is the right answer. The Minister of HRD Department is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and his constituency is Haridwar. As per the International Monetary Fund, India stands at which position in the world in terms of foreign exchange reserves? The rank of India is 5th. The top 4 countries are China, Japan, Switzerland, Russia. Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) is planning to launch the first made in India coronavirus vaccine, Covaxin, by which date? This vaccine is manufactured by Bharat Biotech, and the answer is August 15. Char Dham Yatra consists of Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. So the answer is option C. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, whose tenure has been extended, is the chairman of which organization? Is the chairman of NHAI. So the answer is option B, National Highway Authority of India. Which state government has launched the Balaram Yojana to provide agricultural credit to landless farmers? So the answer is option C, Odisha. And the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Union government has sanctioned 4,000 crore rupee under Atmanirbhar program to improve infrastructure for the food parks in which state? This state is Karnataka, so option C is the right answer. The All India Radio broadcasted its first ever news magazine program in which language? The name of this program is Sanskrit Saptahik. So the language is Sanskrit. Option D is the right answer. According to Bridge to India's India Renewable Energy CEO Survey Report 2020, India is expected to add only how many gigawatt of renewable energy capacity in next 5 years? Here the answer is option B. Which country has become the first major economy to phase out coal nuclear power? The name of this country is Germany, and the capital of Germany is Berlin. Which small finance bank has launched a facility to opening account through video KYC? To open the small finance bank, only 200 crore rupee is needed. So the answer is option C, Equitas Small Finance Bank. IDAI has set up a committee under whose chairmanship to examine surety bonds for road contracts. The chairman of this committee is G. Srinivasan. So option A is the right answer. Linden, who has announced his retirement from badminton, has won how many Olympic titles? He's from China and he won 2 Olympic titles. Phobos is the closest and biggest moon of which planet? The answer is option B, Mars. Name the Indian girl who has been chosen for the 2020 Diana Award for her Recycler app. And the girl is Freya Thakral. So option D is the right answer. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Cellular Operators Association of India, COAI. The answer is SP Kochhar. So option A is the right answer. As per the railways, private train operations in the country will begin by April 2023. And the chairman of Railway Board is V.K. Yadav.